In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open a template here in Canva. Now, once you're logged in and you're on the home page like this, we first need our template. So what we want to do is simply come over to templates here on the left-hand side. And if we click on there, this is where we can browse and explore thousands of different types of Canva templates that they have on the platform. You can also use this search bar just here and type in anything that you're looking for. For this example, let's use a planner, just like that. Then we're going to click on search for planner, and now we have all of these planner templates. Now to use these, or any one of these, is really simple. What we want to do is simply click onto the templates that we want to use. Now, if we look under this, we have more options as well with recommended, but to use this, we simply want to click on customize this template, and it's going to open in a brand new tab, project, just like this. And then this is where we can come through, use this template and change everything as needed. So I could come through, I could change all of the colors to whatever I want. I could also change the fonts as well if I wanted to, and I could adapt and adjust, edit this template. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to open a template here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.